In this video, I'll show you how I trap those pesky fungus gnats. First, you will need a yellow piece of paper. This is a regular gift bag I found at the dollar store for $1. Cut a small square, about 2 inches by 2 inches. Next, you will need a popsicle stick, a small piece of scrap wood, and a regular stapler. Place the paper on the piece of wood, and use the paper stapler to bind them together. You now have the main piece of the trap, and all we have to do now is add some glue. I will be using Tanglefoot glue. You can buy this brand or something similar in most hardware stores or online. It's very sticky. I recommend to use a popsicle stick to spread a thin coat on the paper. Like so. With one pot of glue, you can make many traps. All that's left to do is plant the trap in a pot. The next day. That is what we caught. After a few months, just replace the old sticky trap by a new one. And if this helped you, don't forget to click like,